Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to talk about something really exciting, how you can use Claude Code completely for free. Now, a lot of people think you must buy a Claude subscription to start coding with it, but that is not actually true. If you are a student, a beginner, or someone working on small projects or daily tasks, you really don't need to spend money. Paid plans are mostly for big production apps, heavy usage, or professional teams. But for learning, practice, and even building real projects, there are powerful free models available that can do an amazing job. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to access them, how to use Claude like coding power for free, and how to get the best result without paying anything. So if you don't want to spend money but still want powerful AI coding, this video is going to be very helpful for you. Let's get started. First of all, search in Chrome browser Claude Code with open router. Search this and you will see the first link, integration with Claude Code. Open this link. After opening this link, come down to the installation part, click start, install. To the native install. For Mac and Linux, you can use this command, and for Windows, you can use this command. Let's copy this command and install Claude Code on our PC. Open command prompt or open VS Code editor in the terminal of VS Code. Then write this command, okay, the command that we would like to install Claude Code, this command. And press enter so it will install Claude Code on your PC. I have already installed. After installing the Claude Code, you will face with this page. Okay, let's run the Claude command. You will see the interface of Claude Code. This will be the interface, and you will see the default model which is selected Sonnet 4.6, and you cannot use it without subscription. So to use it, to remove from this, first of all, it might show you the login page to log in. So to remove the login, for that you don't need to log in. Just exit from that page because we want to use it locally in a folder. So for that, let's close this. Simply come here to a folder where you would like to implement your project, and create a folder here by the name of .Claude. After creating this folder, create a file, settings.json. That's it. After creating this file, in this file now we will write this code. In this file, settings.json, write this code. Cut this JSON file, write this JSON file, hit it like this. That's it. Anthropic auth token, Anthropic base URL, Anthropic default echo model, default opus model, default sonnet model. Now to find the value of these variables, for that let's move back to openrouter. After coming to the openrouter, come down and you will see use base URL like this. This is the base URL. Let's copy this base URL and use it there for base URL. Paste it here. For model, so here you can find this code also, but write it like this. Okay. Now our Anthropic auth token, we will copy this auth token from openrouter. Come here to the openrouter, create your account if you didn't create before. After creating your account, come here to the get API key, and here you can create your own key or copy this key. Okay, whenever you created your key, copy at that time because later you cannot see it. So after copying your API key, now let's paste that here. I will paste my API key here. I have pasted my API key here. Now we will come here to use a model. For model, back come here to the openrouter and to the models and search here for free because we want to use for free. Search free, you will see lots of good models here to use them like Queen 3 coder. Look at Queen 3 coder for 80 billion parameters. So we will use one of them. Which one you like, so just use that. Like for example, this one is also GLM 4.5, Minimax 2.5, a very good model. So let's copy this. Okay, just copy this title. After copying that, use it in these three fields, in all of them, and save it. That's it. This is the configuration that you need. Close this and open back the terminal. Clear the terminal and write here back Claude in this folder. Okay, we are using Claude locally. Right, Claude, you will see now the model changed to Minimax M2.5 for free. Simply let's send hi, so it will respond our query now. You can see the response. You can test it with different models, which one was fit for you, so you can use that one. These are all good models. Like look at 3 Super, and it has the context is 262K, and you can see 711 billion tokens. You can see the different and compare the models. Which one was best for you? You can use it. Look at Google Gma 4, 31 billion. This is the best model also. That's how we can use it for free, the Claude Code. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.